Right, yeah. 1 second. I'm just gonna sort this out. So
Chart's loading. Take your time.
chart has been loaded. Yeah, like I said, I really should be starting at 8 because wow, there's been so many buyers today. Same as last week, right? So today we have. Let me just sort this out. Actually, we have this saved. We can switch. I'm just on the big screen changing some things. Uh, yeah, we have today the June of number 22, and morning I'm looking at the NQ, and yeah, a lot of buyers have been seen. First of all, I'm on a tick 1000 on the entry chart. We're gonna set up the bubbles, global at 60, RTH at 200. Actually, we're gonna change that to 100 because that's what I've been doing back testing. And then we're gonna go to the footprint settings, and we're going to change the footprint filter to 60. That's good enough. Bam. We have the thing, and then we're gonna add. Actually, we're gonna add another window. Actually, can we do this? Oh yeah, like this. Now I split it into three items. Yeah. So people have been buying all this morning, or well, before. Not really sure why, but I definitely saw the switch. Not live, but I saw it, and yeah, I was thinking to myself, what's going on? But I start at 9, and that's what we do. And like I said earlier, maybe we should actually change that to start for during a different time. But yeah, whatever. So I'm gonna sort this out. We have this is the 2 minute chart. We're gonna change this up. No, we gotta change the bubbles. So if we have the bubbles on a tick 1000 equal to roughly 1 or 2 minutes, we have them set at yeah, 100, and yeah, we need bigger numbers. Okay, let's go 400, and let's go what did we do? 60. Give me 60 times 4. 240. Yeah, cool.
Setup locked. Tick 1000 with global 60 RTH 100 bubbles.
Yeah,
Footprint filter 60. 2-minute chart with bubbles. 3 window split. You're catching the morning buyers you missed starting at 9.
I'm not
What's the
missing
structure
anything.
showing?
No, 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 no. I'm not missing anything. But they are buying. They are buying and buying and buying. So now I'm changing to the three split with the three screens because I've been doing that with the backtester, and it actually I like it. I actually do like it. So I'm just gonna set this up the way I was doing it. On for this, continuously moving here. Boom. This can be here, and this is the 15 where there is nothing. Yeah, and they just buy. They just buy. So we're gonna go on the let's go on the daily chart. So this is how we're going to do it. This box or this chart in the corner down here is I'm gonna put my levels there, right? And we're gonna expand or make it bigger. So we are now on daily chart here, and so we're gonna remove the things that we have, all the levels that we ate up. We don't need this. This is I don't know what this is, and this is we ate this. Yeah, so pretty much like I said last week, we retraced into the box below, and the highs above are look to be in play. So we're talking about 30974 should be taken out, if you ask me. And if we do, it's not far off to go for the 31119. Yeah, but overnight range is just there. So this is the daily chart. Let's go on the hour. See.
Daily showing the box retrace and overnight highs.
Yeah,
30974.
exactly.
3974 as the resistance level. If that breaks, 31019 is the next target. What's the hourly showing? Structure on the way up?
I'm just drawing the lights, the lines out. Give me a second. Yeah, I'm gonna plot. So the overnight level is very close. It's 89. No, this is another level. Okay. We already took out the level. Yeah. So I think if we take out this high over here at 30783, we should have a retrace. But yeah, whatever. We will find out later on. This can be like this. This is actually, oh, okay. I like this level. Okay, here's the low. This is strong. Let's go here. And this is the next. The way I like to draw them is to cover the previous level like this, right? So this one didn't really, now it created a double level, so it was this low, so I need to cover it. I also want to see it today, so that's why I do it like this. And then we have lower, we have this line. It's definitely enough, but we can just do like this. It's enough. All right, and it's pretty close. And yeah,
Levels mapped on the hourly.
yeah, and that's the hour, and we're gonna go on 15. I'm just checking, yeah, continuous buying on the, like, this is just buying. Oh my god, yeah. Also, something I noticed with the delta bubbles actually. So the default settings are good, but not for me. Default settings would be good if you are on New York time zone. For me, they are not, so I had to change it because they display something weird. It's noticed quickly when I look at if I look at the trading that's done after the New York session. Yeah, that's when I really notice it, because I just see huge bubbles and it just makes no sense whatsoever for it to be there. Well, the answer is very simple. The filter settings for what is actually the day and what is not the day is the problem, and that's what these figures do. So for me, 15:30, that's when New York opens. Right now we are in the summertime. Some say we have today maybe 21 degrees Celsius on horizon. That looks nice, and yeah. And apart from that, I think like 21:59 is a good time to decide that the market is closed. I think that's like, should be like 30 minutes to go after that. It's good enough. So that's what I put here. And I like this number. So we have RTH within this bracket, and we have the global outside 60, right? Anyway, so that's why we do it like this. And that's why we have all of the bubbles. Right now, the bubbles are going crazy. People are buying and buying and buying. Yeah. And let's see. So the 15, we're going to plot the 15 level. I'm just, okay, we are not picking this up yet. Look at this. This is so nice. Oh yeah, man, it's alive. Right, 15, big screen again. Let's get the overnight level on. Overnight box. This is the low.
Overnight box low marked on the 15-minute. Continuous buying pressure since EU open. What's your read? Institutional accumulation or algo chop building into a breakout?
Somebody is buying a lot. Somebody is buying a lot actually.
Accumulation at support. Building into the overnight highs at 309.74.
I'm not really sure what it is, but it is there. I just moved the box one bar to the side to be able to see the top there, because the pin just went straight through it. That's why I did like that, I think. Yeah, we can't snap it on this platform, but hey, that's what we have. So we have a gap here on 5, right? I mean, look at this. Anyway, somebody initiated the buy program. You know what I mean? Yeah, this is where we had power before.
Gap on the 5-minute. Structure shows prior power zone. Someone stepping in with size. What's your entry thesis if this keeps running into the overnight highs?
Yeah, so I said we take out these levels, we can retrace and we can push further. If today is the day that we push the previous 2-3 days of levels, right? I mean, they like I said last week, I like for them to be taken out, so we should go there. But yeah, it's not like we don't have to do it today, right? Not right now. Who knows, right? Yeah.
Right. Levels are there for when they're taken, not forced.
Yeah.
If accumulate.
Exactly. So now we have it pretty much set up. Now what we need to do now is move this slider to the side. Look at this, and we can do this. Now look what happens. I get this thing over here, and I remove the crosshair. Look, it becomes clean. I move it from here, it becomes clean. And now, look.
Clean 3 chart setup, tick 1000 entry, 5 min context,
Yeah.
15 min bias with levels. Ready to read.
Yeah.
What's the first signal you're watching for?
Yeah, we don't have an ATM. I will check the ATM settings. 81, 73, AB plus 80, 74 for BE. So, okay, yeah. That frequency is way too low.
ATM is
This ATM will work, but it's really only there as a backup, really.
Backup understood.
Yeah. So we got some big buyers here, right? And we got a gap, and there's no gap. There's like a gap here of half a tick or whatever this is. So I'm just gonna be disregarding that. So here's the actual gap. We need a reaction to this thing. Let's plot some lines on this chart.
Plotting entry structure on the tick 1000. What's the reaction threshold? Where do you need to see pushback before gap?
We are very close to the level that we need, where we need to see something.
You're right on the edge, waiting for either breakdown or confirmation through. What happens if it stalls here?
I mean, we have let's see. Yeah, so we have some sellers showing up, and I mean, if they can't hold, then we grab some, right? I don't know how far it is down to the protection area. What are we looking at? If we enter, we would probably enter up here somewhere at 72, and the stop would be at like 03. So it would be 2 cons. I'm just plotting it like this. Yeah, I'm also gonna get 1 second. Oh my god, what's going on?
Sellers showing at resistance. Structure still intact if they can't hold. What's the update?
Yeah, let me sec. One sec. No updates. No update. Just gonna check one thing.
Go ahead.
Right. Up to 192 videos on my page right now. It's not too bad, huh?
192 videos. Solid library building. Back to the structure. What did you see?
So we are they bought for like an hour and a half, and yeah, now they're not buying anymore. Strange. What are they waiting for? Nobody. It's like almost like somebody wanted to push for this level, and now they turned off the machines. I do wonder, you know. Like, why did they turn the machines off? I mean, come on, guys. I can see through it.
Institutional accumulation at a specific level, then withdrawal. They got what they wanted and stepped back.
Yeah, you do wonder, like, what is the goal here? Like, what do they actually want?
They want the level. Could be.
And why? I mean, there's There's supposed to be a speech later today by ECB president, right? But that is that's like at the US pre-market. I don't really care about that.
ECB speech later, not relevant to EU morning action. They accumulated at this level for a reason. Could be testing resistance before a breakout, could be locking in buyers before a washout, could be positioning ahead of something only they know.
Yeah.
Your job?
Yeah. The 2-minute already gave me a buy signal. 1 second. The tick is a bit tired. Let me buy it.
Order filled.
Just gonna place it.
2-minute gave you the
Yeah.
Where are you entering on the tick
Market
1000?
just entered right now. Right. Well, the other screen was set to the 2-minute, but we need to. Let me sort this out. We're gonna do this. The question is, are we staying on 2 minutes or tick 1000? Let's stay on 2 minutes because it becomes crooked. But we're gonna add one thing to the setup here. The other machine doesn't have the. Let's go. Let's see. The delta is set to the wrong number here, or yeah.
Sort the delta settings and lock in.
Yeah, I am. Ha! I buy it and it retraces. Cool. Yeah. Classic.
Entry taken. What's your stop and target?
I took actually two contracts at 770, stop at 28. So I should have more actually.
2 contracts at 302.70. Stop at 302.28. 42-point stop includes 840 risk on M&Q. Target?
Target just sits up there somewhere. I haven't looked. Like 81 points away, default.
81 points up. Let it run and manage with your rules. What's the read?
Yeah, also remember, this is the wrong size because 70 minus 28, that's below 60. It should be 4. So let's add another 2 more.
Order filled.
We're filled.
4 contracts total.
Yeah.
At 302.
Yeah, well, I added some, so my average price is 72, and stop average is somewhere in between. Stop average is at 23. That's
4 contracts.
yeah, that's yeah, that's what we do. And yeah, so now we reach the high, and it's piercing. Boom, we're getting buyers on the highs. And yeah, we got not a double top, sadly, but the previous level is there. So now we're gonna do something. Get the thing. Okay, 1 second. I'm gonna sort this out. I'm just gonna add one thing to this chart. I'm gonna add the EMA. Here's the idea. EMA color. Let's go gray. Yeah, cool. Save. Right. This. All right. So the EMA, we're gonna hide it for now, but we just added it to the chart. So here's the thing, right? The POC. Oh yeah, that's the POC as well. 1 second. 1 second. Value area. VPOC. Yellow. Let's go orange. Let's go yellow. Yeah, okay. At 50. At 0.5. Thickness 3. Let's see. We can't really see it. We're gonna have to switch it up. It's not visible on the white background. Yeah. Let's go orange. Let's go. It's too wide, so let's go 0.25. See.
Change the POC color.
I can't see that on the screen. What's the inverse of gold yellow color? But because I do on white background, I need some other colors. Like, give me some ideas here. Okay, brown it is.
Brown POC visible now. Watch it through the level.
Oh yeah, it's visible now. Yeah, okay, it's visible. Right, cool. So yeah, they're trying to sell the top. They're buying somewhat. It's starting to look somewhat even. We have a gap Gap actually formed up there. Yeah, that's not a double top. That's a swing. That's the thing. Yeah, so as I was saying, right, the thing is, two things. POC difference. So if the POC closes higher, then higher, then higher, then higher on each consecutive bar, that's one. But if the POC closes then after a sequence, it suddenly closes lower than the previous. And we're long, right? That's a warning sign, one. In the same way and same value, if the EMA also is closed beyond, it's another warning sign, right? And I'm thinking to myself, they have merit, some value. Not as much as the other metrics for trailing, but they have some value. And so the way to... That's low interest. What's that? What's going on there? No. No. I don't like it. 1 second.
Modification rejected.
Yeah, I know. I know. I'm out half. Price looks weird. Yeah. So as I was saying, the EMA, if the EMA is closed beyond, we should also have the same value, but take notice of it. So if I enable the EMA like this, notice that the EMA was never closed beyond on the upside, right? And I mean, we can't just follow it blindly, but it has some value. So we need to just lower the value overall, right? And so think of it like this. We have a gap here, for example. That's the value of 1, right? We have a double level right here, and this is a strong level, for example. That's the value of 1. If we reach the value of 2, well, then that's good. Actually, I don't like this one bit. Let me push the stop. Right, I locked into profit now, so let's see. So if we reach the value of 2 with the locking mechanisms, then we should lock. That's what I'm saying, right? And
Order cancelled.
yeah, and we're fully out. 1 second. Let me just check. Yeah, it's like nothing. 2 points total. Add some fruit flies or whatever. It's summertime, yeah.
Scaled out on the POC cross warning signal.
Nah, I scaled down on weird volume. I don't like what price is doing. Scaled out on subjectivity. We can pick it up. There's gaps below. We can pick it up later again. I don't like this one bit.
Exited on weak volume and POC concern. Locked some profit. Closed position. What's the read now? Re-entry lower?
So yeah, we have a small gap, smaller than before, so lessening power, obviously. Power here, less power here, even less power here. Big gap here, small gap here, and reaction. They push, they can't, it's light in between, so don't like it. That's what it looks like.
Declining power in each retest. Buyers losing conviction. Better to wait for structural reset lower than chase weakening pushes. What's your move?
The move is we wait. Okay, and orange for then we change that direction of that thing as well.
Wait for the move down. Let structure clarify. Are you streaming this or logging out?
We are live, it's on stream, yeah.
Got it. Keep narrating for the stream then. I'll track.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, okay, so let me sort out the big computer. We don't need this window here, and we can make this one smaller. Well, over time people will start watching this. For now, I don't get many viewers on these, but it's all fine. And we just do... This is good enough.
Streams building.
Yeah, of course it is. You know how these things go. You can stream whatever you want, really, over large enough time. People will show up, you know. course it does. And now we're gonna save this template. This is called, this is the white, the E button has been messing with me on this keyboard. I need to clean that thing better.
Clean the keyboard later. Save the template now. What's the name?
I mean, yeah, I refuse to accept that. Yeah, there's actually something wrong. It's just not clean. Yeah. See, price is retracing. Now more sellers are showing up. It's like it's like I saw it and I did and I reacted to it, right? Yeah.
Structure breaking down. More sellers stepping in on the retrace.
And look at the way the delta is forming here, right? I know this bar, okay, delta here and light here, it just fell down. And sellers below, they can get defeated, we can re-enter above, but this is thick, this is narrow, or this is low, right? And we had buyers here, so this was already used up.
The delta compression.
Yeah, but if these get defeated and we close above here, then it's go time. But we're gonna plot something here for now. We're gonna go on the 15, this other chart, and we're gonna plot something here. Here's one gap, and here's one forming, here's another. So this one gap is one big gap, and we're gonna do that.
Plotting gaps on the 15. Stacked rejection structure forming below. What's the setup? Wait for close above or test the gap below first.
I think, yeah. I'm just gonna draw a box. I'm the man who draws boxes.
Draw the box.
Yeah,
Defining the range.
that's good for now.
Box locked on the 15.
See, we have buyers and
Defined.
sellers here. Easy time. No follow through. Buyers here showed up. Are they getting follow through? Not sure. But we defeated the gap already. 1, 2. So we're not strong. This is like mechanically not there. Let's go on the tick chart. See what it says. See, wow, so many sellers on tick chart. It's completely different picture. More clear. Bye. Big sellers, yeah. No. Different. Way different.
Tick chart showing clear seller rejection. Different narrative than the higher time frames. Enter short or wait for structure.
No. We don't enter short. We haven't shifted.
Right. Your system favors longs. Wait for the reversal setup then.
I do like the retrace today for the longs.
Retrace is clean so far. Good entry setup forming if it holds structure. What's the support level you're watching?
Why did they? 1 second. Why do they not disappear?
What disappeared?
No. I'm trying to figure out something. Yeah, like I'm looking at like the 5 minutes, not forming a gap. Hesitation. Used up the gap already. Used up the gap already here. Used up the gap. Like everything is used up. Like we're due for a falling back to 30520, right? I'm not gonna play it, but it looks like the energy is not there on the 5 minute. On 15, we have some things we can take energy from, and the buyers for some reason just stopped here at 9. Just 9. We just got some buyers. If we close below here, they're probably gonna get trapped. The people bought up here, though, that is. We'll see. Now we're getting buyers on top again. No follow through. I mean, listen, this could be a short. Yeah.
Energy depleted on the 5 min. Buyers trapped at 3509. Mechanical setup forming if close goes below. What's your read? Are you entering short or watching?
Well, we're watching. Of course. So this looks tired for now. We need more buyers to show up.
Consolidation. Waiting for the next.
And yeah, and this is like probably this candle or this one closed the EMA. Let's see. Let's go activate it. Yeah, you see, this candle closed the EMA. I mean, if I was long here, I'm not in profit, right? But there's a reason to enter long. Not here, actually, no. Well, if I entered on this bar or whatever, I would have to change here. See, now we're picking up steam. They're trying to push it down. Yeah, it's just the EMA is just for trading mechanisms, and I can't actually see the POC that good actually.
POC and EMA not giving clear signals right now.
Nah, but yeah, if you zoom in here, it's there, right, at the highs. POC is up there, and then it's up there. This is high, this is lower, and this is a close beyond. So these two, they're half the value, right? This is not a double high, so that's not good enough. Yeah, well, I like the idea. We can use these things, but gonna have to lessen the value of them. Right.
POC signals are softer than you thought. Half value is the right weighting. Not enough alone to trigger.
Yeah. And the 2 minutes. Yeah, hesitation. Will we go higher? Not sure. Buyers on top, not getting follow through. POC higher. That's not good.
No follow through on the highs. POC elevated, but not pushing further. Pattern suggests exhaustion, not continuation.
Yeah, tired. Yeah, looks tired, yeah.
Market spent, waiting for either breakdown or fresh buyers.
Yeah,
Still live?
of course.
What's the next trigger you're watching for?
I'm just looking at the settings for now.
Take your time. Market's consolidating anyway.
Yeah.
I'm going to step back here. You've been streaming live since 09 on Twalk EU Open.
Yeah, calm down.
It's been a
Calm down.
call it.
Calm it down, I said. That's all. Wait.
One position taken at 3270, scaled out on weakness. No net loss, minimal gain. Rest of session was observation and setup
Yeah,
building.
be
That's
quiet.
clean execution.
Be quiet.
Locked.
Well, while the market is doing this, I'm gonna order a pair of pants. But you won't see that. Cool, huh?
Go ahead. Market's sideways anyway.
Yeah, right? And I do see the chart on top, but like, look. Do you see the blue up here? And like, we try to go lower. No, we can't. Easy time falling down. Blue going up. Blue going up. Not getting follow through. Now falling down. We defeat this level, and it's pretty much go time. Not a signal for me, but we defeat this, then we take out this, and then it's goodbye. But let's look at the pants. Yeah.
Pants ordered. Market still watching the breakdown.
Yeah, it's funny, right?
What?
It's funny.
Is that a yes on the pants, or is it just chilling?
Yeah, it's me. Yeah, not much going on. That's what it is.
Nothing happening. Market's flat. You're doing other stuff while watching. That's fine for a tired Monday.
It is.
Want to call the stream or keep it rolling?
No, we will run until 11. unless I find a good reason.
Running until 11 Ike. Got it.
If I did, here's a funny thing, right? Let's say I was not using delta and I was only, let's say I was on the 1 minute and I was not using the bubbles, right? Let's just go like this. It's enough. So, I mean, on this 1 minute chart, there's a good reason to buy maybe here, or maybe down here, or now maybe here. But like the bubbles add something different. And yeah, looks like the buyers are getting more power again on 1 minute, pushing it up. It's really close to those highs, man. Yeah, 1 minute buyers showed up. 2 minute buyers not really there. Yeah, and on the tick is more nice. It's funny, right? Yesterday I was on I was doing some back testing like last night, and tick 1000 on New York Open. Yeah, I know you will say that's way too fast, but I don't know, for some reason I don't think so. And yeah, it was nice.
Tick 1000 at NY Open works.
Yeah.
Are the buyers here strong enough?
That's the question. Are they here? I switched to, yeah, the POC has already, it looks like it's going to be higher. Those sellers become defeated. Sellers there become defeated. Very close. Like we have this is the strong level. So strong level is at 52. If we buy here, we could buy at 78. That should be 4, even maybe 5 cons. Right? Math me there.
Strong level at 3252. Entry around 3278. Stop below at maybe 3228 equals 50 point stop. 4 to 5 contracts fit the drawdown at that risk size.
4
Ready?
then. 4, yeah. We'll see. On the tick, I mean, it looks like we actually do see some buyers show up. Highs really close.
4 contracts locked. Buyers showing on the tick.
Locked and ready, but we'll see if we get them.
Waiting for confirmation. Watch the tick reaction.
Yeah.
Still watching, or you got filled?
Watching. But on the tick chart, there's no... yeah, it's not as... It's not... There's no gap there. That's not okay. 1 minute chart. On the 1 minute, we closed higher. There's a gap there. Yeah, okay. Right. It's not there on the tick chart. I switched to 1 minute chart to see.
Tick doesn't show the gap. Timing mismatch between time frames. 1 minute confirms it. Entry still valid or waiting for tick confirmation too?
Tick chart's off. You're just gonna watch the 1 minute for like 2-3 minutes to see if we find it. Yeah. So we got yeah, the sellers got some more power again.
Sellers pushing back. 1 minute showing rejection at the highs again.
Yeah.
Still watching or calling the setup?
Well, the setup needs to become valid. That's what I'm watching.
Waiting for validation. No forced entry.
I wonder if we can make the text a different color. We can definitely do that, but I can't find the option to do it. Oh, opacity setting. Let's go here. Oh, that's better. Yeah.
Better visibility now. Back to
A little bit, yeah. Yeah. So the 1 minute. not strong enough. Back on tick chart. Or let's go on 2. We have 2 minutes. Let's watch. I have the 2 minute on a different screen, but I'm just gonna show it here. So basically, we had some buyers here. We had some buyers here. We had some buyers here. The other small buyers, yeah, sure, they're there, right? They're trying to sell. They don't really get it, and we come down again. We have a double high. What we could get here on this 2 minute bar is we could get rejection of this low here, and then maybe we could enter. A stop would have to go. Is this a strong level? Yeah, that's the gap. This is the strong level right here. So if we enter up here somewhere, if we enter at 70, stop would have to be at 51 or so. I say 4. That's not low enough.
Entry 302.70. Stop 32.51. X 19 point. Stop on 4 contracts. $380.
We'll see. Maybe 5 even. We'll see. 4 or 5. Yeah. They try to sell it. They're trying to. Even bigger sellers. 30 seconds to watch and see.
Watching the 2 minute develop. Sellers showing hard rejection.
Oh, we got some sellers there. Wow. That jumped.
Sellers got hit. What happened?
Well, yeah, they did hit it. Boom, sellers, yeah. Double and break, and this 4, 3, market sell.
Order filled.
Order filled.
4 contracts filled around
3 short. 3 short, short at 751, stop at 788. And I think the TP can be on the 15. We can target this low right here. Looks like a 1 for 3 or something.
3 short at 307.
Yeah. On the 2 minute chart.
3 short on 2 minute. Target the low around 304.15. Still 336 points downside.
Yeah. Right.
You're short now.
Yeah, I'm short. Yeah, I'm short. It's mod B set up with a gap, so, and we have some divergence in the delta. That's why the short. We'll see what they do. Maybe it's just a fake, but we'll find out. They've been hesitating for a few, like 10 or 15 minutes now, so we'll see.
Mostly short with delta divergence plus gap setup. Hesitation for 10 to 15 minutes before the move. Watching.
Yeah. Let's see what we get.
Waiting.
Right. Getting more buyers to show up now. The 2 minute 20 seconds to go for this bar. Yeah, looks like they may be defeating that big block of buyers. That's a very good sign for the shorts.
Buyers getting absorbed. Sellers stepping through.
Increasing, so we got bigger delta bubble now, even bigger. I want to see more movement to the downside.
Bigger delta on the short side. Let it break.
Yeah. Now we have a double gap situation above. I want to push the stops down. I don't really like to. Let's watch this line. What it says. Oh yeah. Well, it doesn't matter anyway right now. Okay, never mind that. Yeah.
Double gap above gives you room. Leave the stop. Let it run.
Yeah, could be that we get a retrace here into the gaps and then pick up some more steam to go lower. If we just flat out go in one direction, I don't really like that movement type, but you know, it does happen, you know.
One directional dumps happen, but you prefer the structural retrace first.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
cleaner. Still holding
So-
the short?
Yeah, I'm just looking at the screen. Not sure about my sizing actually. Check my size for me. Entry 751, stop 788.
Entry 30751. Stop 30788. Yield 37 point stop on 3 contracts. Yield $505.
That's not big enough, right?
It's within your drawdown limits.
Yeah,
but
it
not
should be.
enough.
It should be a more. Let's just add a sell limit right there.
Order working.
Just add a sell limit right there to fill me bigger size.
Adding size at market now.
I just add I put the sell limit on the gap. Let's see if we can get it. We should be bigger here anyway.
Set a limit order at the gap to add
I
size
did.
if price order placed. Wait for retrace or running straight down.
Yeah. Yeah, and on those pants, we're gonna find a different website to get them because, yeah, I want to order something else as well. So I'm gonna check a few other sites to see what's up. Price is somewhat retracing. Actually, price actually retracing into the gap is a good sign, if you
Order
ask me.
filled.
Now we're filled. So now we have 4, and we have 4 contracts at 753 average, with a stop average of 786.
4 more added at 307.
No, not total, not more. Total.
Total 8 contracts at
No, total
307.53
4.
average stock. Total 4 contracts. Average entry 307.53. Average stop 307.86 equals 33 point stop equals $495 risk.
Wow, that's $500. Wow, not bad.
$495 risk on the short setup. Reasonable size.
I did not imagine that. Wow, that's quite some size. Interesting.
Your show.
Did not expect that at all, actually. I'm not enjoying seeing price getting eaten up by some buyers, but yeah, let's just watch something else. How about that?
Buyers pushing back. Let
Yeah.
it work or let it fail.
Yeah, exactly.
Holding the short through the push.
Most definitely.
What's the time? Still got until 11 o'clock.
Yeah, sure. Why not? Why change it?
Running the stream until 11 hung quack. Market's got time to resolve.
You know, I have in my schedule I have the workout set at 11 as well, and I'm thinking that's not a bad idea. Actually, yeah.
Workout locked at 11 hunky. That's your hard stop for the session.
So I think it's like 11:20 or so, but yeah, should be a good idea, man. I'm totally feeling it since yesterday, man. I really pushed hard yesterday, but anyway, yeah. This is a waiting game for now. Let's see. Let's go here. Right. So I was searching for the thing, for the clothing stuff. Yeah. Okay. All right.
Shorts running. Workout at 11:20. Searching for clothing. Stream rolls.
Yeah, I'm searching for, I don't know, something. Actually, I like these.
What's the short price action doing now?
You don't need to look that often on the price. It looks like a harami formation is forming. Yeah, we got a harami. So power lessening slightly to the upside. which is good for my thesis.
Harami forming, power weakening on the buyers. Good signal for the short thesis holding.
Yeah. Yeah, why not?
Let it play. You've got time before 11:20.
I'm not even considering that, but yes, you're correct.
Not overmanaging. Good discipline on the short.
Yeah. I can also see that my initial TP down there that's from one of the orders, and the other order that I moved has another TP. Well, the way this looks, I mean, this is fine like this, but we should adjust the TP on the I added a position, remember? So we should adjust the TP on that. So we have this one here. Why not put the one down there? For the hell of it, why not? Yeah, there's a gap on the downside. That's not really good. We have these sellers. We need to close below here, otherwise I don't like it. Oh, we dropped it. Okay. Yeah, that's 1 hour of talking. I just re-enabled you. So now we have 1, 2, and we have the EMA. Yeah, so we have a reason to lock this, but we can't really lock in profit, and we have a gap, so we should lock here. That's not locking into profit, so I don't like it. But if we were in profit with this scenario, I would probably lock there. If placing stops there, meaning we could lock the profits. But we can't, so we wait. A lot of waiting right now. And yeah, try to pick up some sellers here. I would like to see some more action on the downside. Right. No.
Management on the multi-leg short.
Yeah, I pushed the. Actually, I did push the TP down even further. I put the TP on a 15 level on the second leg down, so it's quite far. But that's from the added position, the one contract, and the 3-1s they sit on a 15 minutes. 3-1s sit at like 120 points lower. Yeah, and the one addition sits at 509, 519. Yeah, that's quite a far away right now.
TP structure. 3 contracts targeting the 15-min low, 120 PTs down. 1 contract targeting 3509, 242 PTs down. Waiting for sellers to show conviction.
Yeah.
Still waiting or calling it?
What? No, we're waiting, of course.
Holding. Watching the sellers.
Right. I just.
What's the read now?
No. I just adjusted something with. I clicked something wrong in the web browser on another screen. Let me just sort this out. Oh yeah. I'm gonna have to pause you for a second. I need to check something.
Go. I'm here.
We know that. So we're back at the entry level right now. Kinda. I'm scrolling through the text, searching for a specific line of code, and meanwhile watching the chart. I'm just searching for like a combination of letters. I'm waiting for the chart to do something. Yeah. Okay. I'm not convinced here. We're not really going anywhere, right? Let's see. All right, Claude, you're back. I think you're back, yeah. So we have the POC at low, and yeah, they tried to buy it. I'm not convinced. I don't really see power. Why would I see any power? We're on the EU session, right? But I want to see more. We did see increasingly more direction from the sellers, but yeah, it would be nice to get some more of that.
EU session thinning out. Sellers showing, but not conviction yet.
Yeah.
You're patient.
But also, yeah, remember we have 3 minutes until 10 o'clock. That normally brings some action.
10 CET approaching. That's typically when action picks up into the US pre-market window. Watching for volume.
Oh, is it the US pre-market? That's like 4 hours between before or something. Really? Wow. That's a double low. I think. Let me check that thing. Oh, close enough. Or if this bar closes like this with no reaction, I'm gonna call this a double low. I'm gonna push a stop to here, halving the risk. This is like it's very close, right? It's very close. It's within like a tick. Oh yeah, sellers showed up. I don't know why. Yeah, they show up on no resistance, highway mode.
Sellers stepping in hard at the double low. Streak
Yeah.
energy hitting.
Calling the double low, pushing the stops down there. Risk is now 50% of initial position.
Double low locked. Stop move down to 30719 area.
Still risk on the table, right? But I don't like it. Well, yeah, doesn't matter what I like, but yeah.
Half risk remaining. Short thesis still valid.
Right. Anyway, so I was searching for something on the website. I guess we just order this then.
Order placed. Short still.
Not yet. Soon. I also made some tea, and I also actually, you know what we're gonna do? Not for the stream, but remember for later. We're gonna sort out the pictures and push the pictures into. We're gonna do the backups for the pictures. I'm gonna clean up the mobile device and push all the pictures into the backup. So you can just remember for later, right? And also we're also gonna edit some of the things. I filter and edit some of the pictures that I put on the laptop.
Photo organization and
Yeah.
backups after.
Yeah, we're gonna do it later. Not after this thing, but later.
Market still holding.
I'm not really getting follow through to the downside. I'm not really liking this.
Sellers losing conviction. Short setup.
They did have they didn't have a hard time getting down there, right? But yeah, I'm not really seeing it. Listen, we closed below this. That's strong. We retraced. We went here. We have a gap. We went here. We should. Yeah, they could get me here. Now we have 10 o'clock, so now more action, right? They climb up. We go down. We go up. I don't know. They try to buy it. Yeah.
10 Huntley EU open volatility kicking in. Chop starting.
Yeah. Definitely, definitely. Does not look good for me though. They try to buy it. Those are trapped sellers. If we close above, they're trapped sellers and we reverse completely. But and that's 77 and that's 43, so that's probably 4. Yeah, or maybe even 5. We'll see. Let's see.
Buyers stepping in hard and low. Sellers could get trapped if price closes above 307.77.
Yes, exactly. Could get. We'll see. It's a bit too violent for my taste. Back to buying clothes. This feels better. Anyway, right.
Chop at 10 hunk is too messy. Shorts in trouble if buyers trap the sellers. What's the...
What we're doing is waiting.
Waiting for the shakeout. Still holding for short.
Yeah, precisely.
Time check. Still.
Time check is 10 seconds. We got, looks like the 10 seconds are providing us with like a pin bar or either something that looks like a pin on top, like a doji pin bar kind of story thing. Not too bad of a reaction, but my stop is really close. I don't like it. Yeah. Don't like it one bit.
Pin bar with stop time.
I mean, we did get sellers there. I mean, we did actually get sellers reaction. I see that now. Why don't I see that over there? Is the delta not set up 60? Let me check the delta on this thing. No, it's actually... Oh, it's the side. Oh, wow. We got big sellers. Wow. Big sellers. Big reaction.
Big seller delta at the highs.
Oh, yeah. We're pushing 50 points into... no. 20, 30 points into profit. Wow. Big sellers. Big sellers.
$300 to 450 floating profit on 4.
Yeah, crazy actually.
Still holding or banking?
Holding. Why don't I see that bubble number over there? Very strange.
Delta bubbles displaying fine to me. Big seller spike visible.
I mean, so the bubbles here, 60, 120 at size, opacity 30, 3, okay. And we have 15, 30, okay. Let me check the settings on the other screen. Something's off on the big screen settings. Okay, now I got it. It's set to the wrong time. It's filtering incorrectly. Right. That is why. That explains a lot.
Delta filter timestamp wrong on the big screen.
Yeah.
Missing bubble.
Yeah. One more. Oh, big sellers. Even bigger sellers. Wow. What's going on? Now I see the bubbles. Now it works. Now it's different. Wow. So now this is a double O, right? And this becomes the level, when this closed here, this becomes the strong level. So now we have the gap and we have the EMA again. So we closed in the right direction. So now we can use the POC. With this gap, we can use the POC. So now the POC is currently here. And let's zoom a bit. Yeah, this is defeated. They're all defeated. Like these are the biggest buyers. They've been defeated. Trapped sellers? No. So we have currently we have 30 points on the table. What do you say? lock it, we have a gap forming. Gap completing in 1 minute. 30 points on the table. Not like, we have a low there. It was used up. That was used up. Everything's been used up.
30 points profit. All buyer levels broken. Gap completing. Lock it or let it run to the lower gap.
Rules say don't touch it.
Let
I
it
don't know
run.
what's more difficult for you, letting price go and run according to the rules and not touching the stop, or seeing profits on the table and not moving the stop. Which one is more difficult?
Second one, always. Seeing 30 points, floating, and leaving the stop alone is harder than patience.
I think so. Yeah, we did. So we're getting sellers. We're getting sellers. Yeah, completed. We're getting more sellers. I mean, this is just pushing.
Sellers taking over. Gap complete. Short running.
So now we have the gap here, and when this bar closes, we may have two gaps. We have the level, we have the gap. So we can now use this level because we have 1 and 2. That's okay. But really, I really want to lock this. I really want to bank this.
Urge is real.
Rules say we shouldn't touch it. Also, you know what? How the market goes sometimes, it just slams, you know?
Yeah, it does.
Let me see. Just gotta change
Short still
this.
flying.
Short is still pushing, actually. Let's reload Forex Factory to see what's going on. This is somewhat stressful. Yes.
Checking calendar for news catalyst.
I don't see it. I guess it's only price. Yeah.
Pure sellers pushing. No news.
Yeah. So the only thing I see is yellow. 39 minutes ago. That's not this. That may be the reason we stopped going up. It may be. And the price confirming it may be the second reason. So it's yellow breaking news, low value, right? But it's like we will respect ceasefire in Lebanon as long as blah 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 blah. As we want this and we want that and we want this. Yeah, okay. Yeah. And yeah, if it surfaces that that's not true, and that's very bad for the market, right? So now we have a gap actually was formed here. I'm just gonna zoom in to show you, right? There's a gap formed here, there's a gap formed here. Now we are absolutely allowed to lock the profits, and we do. Hell the fuck yeah. We're locked and we're safe. Floating to 50 USD. No, locking.
Locked. Stopped moved to.
We have the TP down here with the 3 orders, and then we have the 1 TP down there. My TP is still far away, but we could get it. Also, I want to highlight the fact that now I have put on 2 positions, and both are locked into profit, counting the earlier position I put on. And yeah, I locked my position earlier because I didn't like it, or yeah, for the reasons, go to the playback anyway. But because I locked my previous position in profit, and this position also now is in profit, one of the rules is now in play that says I'm not allowed to take more trades. I should trail this.
Rule 2 locked in. 2 trades green. Account positive. No new entries today.
Precisely.
Trail the runners to target.
Rule number 2, yes. And also, because we have targets far away, Actually, it's the EU session. What was the initial stop? 60?
Initial stop was 307.88. You've moved it to 307.99.
I moved the stop to 752, so I'm locking like 1 or 2 points. No, what was the initial stop on this current short position? Give me the number right now.
Initial stop 307.88. Current stop.
How many points is that?
36 points locked in profit.
Right. And from my current entry 752, how much is 38 points?
From 307.5b2 entry, 38 points down equals 307.14.
All right. So 14. I'm protecting then above here. I pushing my add-on. I'm pushing the stop down because according to the rules, it should be a 1-for-1 during EU session. I placed the order TP according to the M15, and yeah, it's likely not really set in stone, but yeah, this one order pushing down here, it's absolutely fine. We're not getting gaps, so we can push this as well down.
Stop locked at 307 Northland. 38 PT's profit protected.
Yeah, if we touch this level right here, if we touch this, and if we run through, if we just touch 704, yeah, I'm pushing my stops down more.
3704 is the next gate.
And we did touch it. I think we touched it. Yeah, we did. Right. Let's see what price does. Continues going. Great.
Through 30704, shorts accelerating.
Yeah.
Still trailing or locking partial profit.
We got less delta, but price is running down. That's still power, right?
Declining delta, but price still dropping.
Price dropping more actually. This bar is bigger than previous 3 or 4 bars.
Momentum building despite lower delta.
Yeah, so what I was saying, we should be out at 14, right? So I put the stop here, and I put this other stop up here. What's the big sellers? Yeah, my point is, you said my initial risk was 38 points, right? So 38, if we take 753 and we remove the initial stop, which was 38, then we should be out, right?
Order cancelled.
307.
Respond.
Waiting for the level.
Order cancelled.
Okay, we're fully out. No, so what I wanted to know was, with the entry I had, the short position, 753, the initial stop was at 788, I think. I wanted to know the difference in points, because I wanted to know what the target should have been 1-for-1.
Entry 30753. Stop 30788 equals 35 point stop. 1-for-1 target equals 30753 minus 35 equals 30708. You exited at 30714 equals 39 points profit. Exceeded 1-for-1.
Oh, okay, yeah. Actually, I pushed. That's yeah, right. I almost pushed the stop to that level. It was very close. I had to do some manual math in my head. I also put the stop behind the delta big bubble, but yeah, I almost got that. I got a bunch of it. Right today, yeah. So total today is 229 USD. I mean, considering the account, maybe it's good. We're not going for bananas big trades here, right? But yeah, the rules say I can't do more. I was floating $400 down there though. Gets you thinking, should I take it or not? Yeah. Yeah. Respond.
You still here or closing the stream?
Yeah, so yeah, we should close the stream unless there's something else we should go over. I was just I'm just gonna look at the numbers here because to be honest, I would like your response a bit faster. Yeah, 714. One of the positions I closed at I think 716, and the other one was at 720. And yeah, price was down below that level for a short while. And yeah, just goes to, we're gonna add this for today's notes in the log for the trading. EU session should have 1-for-1 TP. And today I did not do that. I do believe I forgot about it, actually. And if I did, I should have seen this level and I remembered the rule. I didn't. I should have had the TP at 704, flat out. I didn't, but we're today in profit, and I have I placed the trades according to the rules, and I think that's it. I think we have done what we should do.
Session summary locked.
Yeah,
2
great.
trades.
Yeah, 2 trades. Yeah, that's right. So 229 after commissions. It's not too bad. Remember, this is MNQ. If you want to convert this to NQ, you're gonna have to add, I don't know, you're gonna have to multiply that by like 5 or something. I think that's good in the EU session.
2 MNQ trades, $229 net. At full NQ scale, that's $1,145 equivalent. Solid EU session. Close the stream.
Yeah, should be. Yeah. I think actually, yeah, that's it. I'm checking. No chat messages. Yeah. So, yeah. Okay, I think that's it. So, yeah, if you watch the stream, hello, welcome everybody. Post a message next time. If you enjoy this, feel free to post your questions. If you want to try for yourself to go on the Blue Guardian, there's a link to the affiliate link in the comments. Go ahead, try it if you want. It's also linked to my website where I write some code, some things for trading for different software and stuff. And yeah, check out the website if you like it. And apart from that, yeah, I will see you in the markets. This has been the 20